a WFG agent. We thought we had done well, but she quickly identified that it was not the best policy for our specific needs and was an insufficient amount. After carefully considering what was best for our family, we made the decision to acquire new policies through Will Financial Group, which became active in May 2016. Unexpectedly, in August of 2016, my husband Scott was severely injured in a logging accident. On August 18, 2016, he passed away from complications. His heart just could not take it anymore. My family and we were devastated. The life insurance policy we had only recently acquired helped me cover essential expenses and definitely made things a little easier. I did not have to sell my home. I was able to keep it, make improvements to it to maintain its market value, and I was able to pay off debts we both had. I was truly grateful that we protected our family and were as prepared for this as we could have been at the time. I want to help others avoid the mistakes my husband and I made. We could have started planning for our retirement a lot earlier, and we should have been better protected sooner. Too many people believe that this is never going to happen to me and they don't need life insurance, but they've got to get their heads out of the sandbox. I encourage everyone to get life insurance and possibly disability insurance because you just don't know when you're going to injure yourself or when the good Lord is going to call you home.